Hi, this is Iris speaking for Butterfly Circles with the vibrations of this period. This is a beautiful period in the sign of Lion. We are still in Lion sign. So here we are from the full moon until the new moon. We have the new moon on the 16th of this month in August. And the new moon is always a very good moment to be in stillness and just to find out for yourself what wants you to start in your life. It's to really to look at your seeds, what you want to bring out in your life. But because the sun and the moon are in the sign of Lion on the 16th, it's a very good moment just to find out how do you want to express yourself. How will you shine into the world? And this is a very good period to shine and to bring yourself out into the world in a renewed way, in a way that is new to you and for the people around you. Surprise them. Be there with all your talents. And this is a very good opportunity as well to really, in the meantime, until that new moon, is to release all the limited thoughts that you have, and you know, it's like, how do you say that? All the things where you are limiting yourself, look at it and just release that and do whatever you want and have fun. See you later. Thank you for hearing me. Thank you, Oha.